Before we move on to the second part, now let's have a quick recap of what we've learned so far. So the first part describes Hannah's conditions as an autistic girl and also shows Hannah's several special talents, including photographic memory and unusual peripheral vision. And also, we summarized the symptoms of autism from the text, and also I showed you 2 videos by 2 doctors telling us the other symptoms of autism. Now, let's move on to the second part. The second part consists of only one paragraph, paragraph 5. This paragraph informs the readers the causes of autism have yet to be found, and also reveals 4 surprising findings in terms of autism. 1. Autism is not a single disorder. Rather, it is a range of brain developmental disorders. 2. Autism is a pervasive problem of the whole brain, not of any specific part of the brain. And 3. Some types of autism may be caused by problems in the immune system. And 4. Early childhood intervention may be the best way to treat autism. In this part, we can find some expressions for discussions about causes. Let's take a look. So, from paragraph 6, you can find 3 sentences. There are still more questions than answers about this complex disorder. Its causes are still unknown or uncertain, as are the reasons for the rapidly rising incidence of autism. But slowly, steadily, many myths about autism are falling away. Please pay attention to the highlighted parts. There are still more questions than answers, means the causes of autism are still unknown or are uncertain, as the second sentence indicates. And many myths about autism are falling away. What does myth mean? Usually, we interpret this word as a legend or a fable, but here it has a different meaning. Myth means a commonly believed but false idea. So, the overall sentence means slowly and steadily, many false ideas about autism are disappearing. In paragraph 9, the author writes, "Indeed, doctors now prefer the term autistic spectrum disorders, or ASD. ASD is an essential term in the discussion about autism. It describes a range of conditions classified as developmental disorders. These conditions show varying severity of symptoms. To put ASD into perspective, let's look at this umbrella chart. Actually, ASD are subcategories of PDD, pervasive developmental disorders, along with Rett's disorder and CDD. Specifically, ASD includes several conditions that used to be diagnosed separately, including autism, Asperger's syndrome, and pervasive developmental disorder, not otherwise specified, shortened as PDD-NOS, according to CDC, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Thank you, and see you next time.